Hello everyone, welcome back to the video series of Object Oriented Programming with Java. Our today's topic for this particular video, that is Java programming using abstract class. So I will explain a different program of the abstract class. I am an instructor Mr. Ankit Patel. So let's start the programming. Now in this session I will show you the example of the abstract class. So let's see the first example, the first program, that is a describe abstract class called shape. So we need to create one abstract class shape which has a three subclass, say triangle, rectangle and circle. So we are creating the three subclass of the abstract class, triangle, rectangle, circle. Define a one method area in the abstract class and override this area in these three subclass that calculate the specific object, that is area of the triangle subclass which calculate the area of the triangle, and same for rectangle and circle. So what we need to do, we are just creating a one abstract class shape. That class contain a one abstract method area, and that method will be override by these three subclass, that is a circle, triangle and rectangle, and we need to find the area of the specific object. So I have already created the main class using the program 12 and public static void main. So I will show you first of all main, what is the output or what is the requirement. That is, I am creating a one class circle C1, that is equals to new circle, and I am passing the radius because this required a radius, suppose 5. Now I am creating a one rectangle object. Rectangle R1 is equals to new rectangle. Rectangle required two parameters, so I am passing a 5, 6. Then the next object, that is a triangle T1, that is equals to new triangle. Again this is 1 of B into S, so again it require a two parameter, that is a 4 and 8 I am passing, right. So now I am just passing this value as in the double format because the answer may be in the point, so I am just putting like 5.0, 6.0, 4.0 and 8.0, and finally I am calling the area method. So that will compute the area of the rectangle, triangle and circle. So here I am calling C1 dot area, R1 dot area and T1 dot area. So hope you understand our main method, what is our requirement. So I am creating the three class object and I am calling the area method. Now let's create the first of all our main class, parent class method, that is a abstract class, that is abstract class shape, right, and that class contain one abstract method, that is a void area. So because the method is abstract, so I am not implementing that particular method. So now let's create the class circle that extend our class, that is a shape class. Now I am creating a just declaring one variable double R. Now I am just passing a parameter, that is R is equals to A. So I have created one parameterized constructor. Now I am creating a one method area, overriding that particular method system dot out dot println, and I am just printing the here area of circle, that is equals to, I am just printing the value 3.14 into R, right. So that is the our one I have created one subclass. Same subclass we need to create it for the a rectangle, that I am creating another class, that is a rectangle. that extends abstract class shape. I am just declaring a variable double x comma y. I am creating a rectangle parameterized constructor, that is a double a comma double b. I am just assigning x is equals to a and y is equals to b, and I am just putting the code for the area, that is the area of rectangle, that is equals to x into y. So hope you understand this code for the rectangle, and same code we require for the triangle. So I am copy whole this class and I am pasting over here, and I am just changing this name rectangle, in place I am just putting the triangle. Triangle is there. Same code, area of triangle, that is equals to 0.5 into 1/2 b into h. So now this code is matched with the our main class, our main method. You can see in a circle I have just created one parameterized constructor. In triangle and rectangle I have passed 2 parameter. You can see, right? And one method I am calling area. In area method I am just calculating the area of the rectangle, circle and the triangle. So let's compile this first of all, this code, that is a program 12.java. There is no error. Then program 12. You can see area of the circle, that is equals to 5 into 5 into 3.14. Rectangle, that is equals to 5 into 6, that is 30, and triangle 8 into 4 divided by 2, that is equals to 16. So hope you understand the program. Now next program, that is write a program to define an abstract class with 2 methods, addition and subtraction. Addition is the abstract method. Implement the abstract class and call that method using a programs. So here this particular program not tell create a specific class x, y, z or any type of class. Here there is a no name of the class is given. So now we can just create any of the class. Suppose I am creating a class A. Here that class contain 2 methods, addition and subtraction. So I am creating a method addition and void subtraction. Subtraction. So now here the addition is the abstract method, so we need to use a abstract keyword here. So that's why the semicolon after the method, and if the method is abstract class, we need to create a class as a abstract. Right here the subtraction method is not in a question is not tell that this is a abstract method. So I am just implementing that particular, but I am not writing anything. Right here I am creating a one class, demo class, that extend the class A. So for that here I am just putting addition and subtraction. That's why I am putting a code for the addition and subtraction. So I am using a 3 variable a, b. In a demo I am just passing this one parameterized constructor for initializing the variable a and b, that is a is equals to x and b is equals to y. Now in a void addition, I am just calculating the addition is equals to a plus b, right? And then I am just printing the value system.out.println add is equals to plus c. So here addition method is a compulsory, we need to override because that method is abstract method, but subtraction we have the option. if you are not putting here subtraction method, then there will be no any kind of error is generated. Let's create the our main class, that is a program 13. Then I am creating a main function over here, that is a public static void main string of args, and I am creating the value of object of demo d1 is equals to new demo, and I am passing the value 10 20 and d1 dot addition. You can see here I am not using a subsection. Let's first of all just compile the code, that is program 13.java, expected one semicolon over here in a system.out.println. Java program 13. You can see the addition. Here I have not used a subtraction because subtraction is not a abstract method. Suppose if you want to use the subtraction method, then you can use over here. There is no any type of error will be generated. Subtraction, in a subtraction I am just subtracting the value of a and b, and we need to call this particular method. So now I am calling from the here d1 dot subtraction method. Now let's run this code. You can see the value in the subtraction. But because the subtraction is not a compulsory, we need to override because that is a non-abstract method, right? In question it tells that this method is non-abstract method. Addition is only abstraction. What about the subtraction? That is no any type of they are telling any type of statement. So hope you understand this program. And now the next program, that is the abstract class vegetable class. We need to create a class vegetable, has a 3 subclass, potato, brinjal and tomato. Write an application that demonstrate how to establish the class hierarchy. Declare a one instance variable type string that indicate the color of the vegetable. So we need to create a one variable of the color of the type string that define the color of the vegetable. Create and display the instance of this object and override the toString method of object to return the string with the name of the vegetable and its color. So we need to override the abstract method. We need to override the toString method. So here the toString method, that is a part of the object method. So here I am just declaring a one method because I am writing like this public method, because this method is already defined in the object class, that is our cosmic superclass. So here the object class, that is our main parent class for all this class. So I have already just override that particular method. So I am just define that method as abstract. So whatever the class extending vegetable, we need to override the toString method. And one variable, that is a veg color. Now here the 3 classes there, potato, brinjal and tomato. So I am creating a class potato. I am just override this method toString and veg color, that is yellow, and I am returning that particular color. Same for the brinjal. In a brinjal I am just putting the color as a violet and returning that color, and in tomato I am just putting the color red and returning the method veg color. So this toString method I have not created, I am using the inbuilt method of the object class. So I am just override that particular method, that's why the S is capital over here in a toString. So now in a main method I am just creating the 4 object of the vegetable potato, brinjal and tomato. So here I am just creating an object like dynamic method dispatch, right? Because all these potato, brinjal and tomato have one common method, toString method, and I am overriding that one. So you can create just create a reference for the vegetable, and I am giving a reference to potato, brinjal and tomato, pbt. Here I am calling a p.toString. Here no need to call it this method using the toString. I will show you the output first of all for this particular program. Java C, then program 13.java, there is no error, then Java, then program 13. You can sorry the program name is 14. name is different. You can see the color of potato yellow and same as violet and red. So here I am calling this method p.toString because this is the method of the object class. Suppose if you are not calling, if you are printing just object, automatically by default this will call the toString method. No need to call a toString method. Suppose you are printing the object p, b and t, right? So it will by default automatically calling the toString method. So you can see there is no difference in the output. You are calling, either you can calling using the p.toString or you are just printing the p, there is no difference. So hope you understand all these three program of the abstract class. So that's it from the programming. So thank you very much. If you have any doubt, you can feel free to ask me. Thank you very much.